it's Hannah here from the Personal Wellness Project. Welcome to episode 8. I hope that you are very well. This is our final content episode, and I really hope that you found these episodes helpful and positive. In the last episode, we focused on coping as a function of being resilient and of proactively attending to the different demands that you face across the different areas of your lives. I presented you with a task designed to challenge some of your thinking patterns, helping you to always finish your thoughts on a positive. I hope that you've given this task a go and have started to embed this kind of thinking into your day-to-day lives, as it'll only lead to positive outcomes. Remember, you need to try and do this as often as possible, as doing so will help you to form a habit of countering those negative thoughts. Having the awareness to focus in and really listen to yourselves takes a level of control and trust in yourself. We know that being self-aware and being able to focus on the present moment can be very beneficial for our levels of resilience and our levels of well-being. With that in mind, today's episode is going to focus on being present and being self-aware in order to boost our resilience. This strategy is called mindfulness. So let's get started. Those people who regularly engage with mindful behaviours have been found to have greater levels of resilience due to their ability to be optimistic, to have a zest for life, and to be more patient. Mindfulness is not some mythical, magical technique only used by those people who engage in lots of yoga. It's simply you focusing your attention on the present moment, on you calmly accepting how you feel, what you are thinking, and the bodily sensations that accompany those thoughts and feelings. Essentially, you've already had some experience of mindfulness as part of this programme when we have used the mindful breath. As during the mindful breath, you were encouraged to acknowledge those thoughts and feelings that you were having and to accept yourself as you were in that moment. So, what are the benefits of engaging with mindfulness? Mindfulness can help you to be more aware of your thoughts and in turn help to decrease rumination, which is the process of thinking repetitively over a long period of time about something. Those who engage in mindfulness experience fewer bouts of negative emotions such as feelings of anxiety and depressive symptoms when compared to those who don't use mindfulness. Being mindful can help reduce stress, as it is useful in altering the way that you think about different situations. Importantly, as a learner, mindfulness can be used to help increase your ability to focus and actually suppress distracting information. Over time, mindfulness can lead to a greater level of emotional control, as engaging in mindfulness decreases emotional reactivity. For example, you'd be more likely to disengage with something that is potentially negative and focus on something else. As you can probably tell, there are lots of benefits to being more mindful more frequently, and it becomes clear that mindfulness is inextricably linked to well-being and resilience. As a result, it's a great mechanism to use and to help us cope, and there are lots of different variations of mindfulness for you to try. But to start you off, I'm going to share with you a technique that I personally use on a regular basis. This is the 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 technique. I use this whenever I need to reset because I might be feeling overwhelmed by the amount of things that I'm currently thinking about or trying to complete, or when I might just need to feel a little bit more grounded and just generally be more present rather than thinking of a million different things. It's simple and you use all your senses, so it's really easy to remember. So let's give it a go. Either sitting or standing, it's up to you. Wherever you are, just make sure you're comfortable. Take a deep, mindful breath in for 4, pause, and then out for 6. With your eyes open, take a look around where you are right now. What are 5 things that you can see? I'll do this with you. So I can see a lamp, my laptop, my phone, a printer, and my mug that had coffee in it. 4 things that you can feel. I can feel myself, so my own hands. I can feel the desk, I can feel my mouse, and I can feel the carpet under my feet. 3 things that you can hear. I can hear the humming of my laptop. I can hear the traffic of the road outside. And I can hear myself breathing. 2 things that I can smell. I can smell myself from where I've washed my hair, and I can smell coffee that I've recently had. And then 1 thing I can taste. So again, I can taste the coffee that I've recently drank. Now, take another deep breath in before, pause, and then out for 6. How do you feel? Does your body feel any different? How was that experience for you? Hopefully you're feeling a little more grounded, present and mindful. We would love to know how you got on with this episode and specifically what you thought of the 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 technique. Have you used it before, or was this a new experience for you? Let us know in the comments. That is the end of episode 8. Thank you so much for engaging with these episodes, and we really hope that you found them helpful and positive. Don't forget to head over to Instagram for extra content about all things wellbeing and resilience. I hope you have a mindful day in whatever you choose to do.